Okay, the idea of video submission is why it is helpful. Okay, for example, like in case of Henry Harvin reviews, if you search, okay, you search, you did a normal search, you can see Henry Harvin YouTube videos are ranking. Okay, and these videos get easily ranked on lot of uh, keywords like how to use poll on LinkedIn, let's suppose. Okay, or how to use poll on FB, and you will see videos. Imagine, like, it is a very common feature in Facebook. People are searching it, and you can imagine the number of views on it. Like, it will be like around, I think it should be around 1 million. No, it's 1 lakh around. Give me a second. If you can see that even they are getting 1 lakh views, which video she is using, even 30,000 views for a simple video. Okay, which is a 4-minute video. This is how people get more and more views. One thing. Second thing is backlink. For sure, you will get a backlink. I hope she had a backlink in the end. Okay, if I show it to you over here, see. Okay, she has a backlink. If you click on it, you will reach to another YouTube video of her. Okay, another backlink of another 8 videos. This is how it is linking, which generally people do on YouTube. But tomorrow I will give you a demo on it. Let's move to next type of submission, that is article submission. In article submission, primarily we create an article to submit on the article submission site. Why? Because as we want to get the uh, link from the relevant content, then what happens is you have to create that relevant content. For creating that relevant content, either you create a blog or an article, you create an article and submit it to article submission site. So how article submission site works, example, 𝐦𝐨𝐷.com, 𝐦𝐨𝐷articles.com, there are other sites as well. Okay, I'm taking an example of 𝐦𝐨𝐷.com. If you open, it has a simple process of signing up. Okay, it will ask you hundreds of questions before signing up. Okay, let's say I have written an article related to category of automobile. In automobiles, I write about motorcycles, and the category reflects all the articles written in it. And if I click on it, you will see an article which explains about the topic, that is top 6 advantage of riding an electric scooter. And if you go down to know more, here is a link of one website. Okay, so he gives the link of his own website, which is about these e-motorcycle or electric scooters. Okay, so how to get it is write a wonderful original article. The quality guidelines of these article websites are really high. If you look at their domain authority is like 86. Okay, but to get a link approval, it's not that easy. You have to write a very good article which is meaningful, which doesn't have grammatical mistakes, and it should be original, 100% original. If you have copied from somewhere, then it will not work. And you can take one backlink from it. One thing, a lot of people will be thinking it can't be posted on our website. You can post it on your website, but you will not get a backlink. So on different domain websites, high domain authority website, we create backlinks from them. One backlink for one product, one backlink for another product. Okay, like that. And we give them content and they give us a good quality backlink. Is that clear how to do article submission? Article submission is a process. You have to go sign up, join it, and then they will allow you to post it. Okay. And it takes a week's time. When you submit your article, it takes almost a week to approve it. And they can reject you on various grounds. Okay. If I talk about their guidelines, this is a whole form you have to fill. And where I can see the guidelines. Their editorial guidelines are really strict. So proper grammar, and you not be using LPR, must not written as a press release. Okay. Not contain self-serving or promotional content in the title, body, or summary. One link you can give it. Okay. Must not contain any negative comment about any other product. So these are the various guidelines to it. And fourth, no affiliate program. If it is clear, press 1. If you have question, raise your hand or type into the chat box. Quickly, guys. Aditya, you had a question. Please go ahead.
So I had written an article on a particular blogging site, blogger.com. So I can use the same article and post it here also. 𝐸𝐳 article.
No.
Okay.
It should be first time published on this site.
Okay, so they will check it where all this article is coming on the net.
Yes.
Okay.
It's a very simple search, na? Just type the title. They have tools like CopyScape in the backend, which checks each and every article submitted.
Okay.
Yes.
So this is, I'm sure there would be many other websites like 𝐸𝐳 articles.
Yeah, there are hundreds of websites in this. Replace video with article.
So if you write one article, you can submit on multiple such websites, article submission websites?
No.
Okay, you have to stick to one only.
You have to publish it one only, because other site you can go and submit it, but the other site will reject it.
Okay.
It is as simple as that. Okay.
So one article,
so these are
one backlink basically.
Sorry?
One article will give you only one backlink from one place.
Yes. So try to write short articles of 300 to 500 words and ask hired content interns. You don't need a very engaging content to be true. Getting my point? You don't need a very engaging content. It should be original content. It should be to the point, and it should not be a very promotional content, and it should have a backlink for your website. That's it.
If I post an article on my own website blog, like loanbook/blog, can I use that same article for submission here or no?
No.
Okay. It has to
you can't publish, because they will check it. It is already published on your website and reject it.
Oh.
And suspend the account at the same time. Okay, they are very strict. So as my further discussion was related to that, use one article for one backlink. Okay, not 80 backlinks. Don't try it. Otherwise, it's a waste of time and energy. Another example is hub page, and I have added one link to it. Okay. On this site, you can find all the other article submission sites as well. Okay. Then next is profile creation. Profile creation is another type of activity through which you can generate backlinks. But the only problem is do not do it a lot because it will be counted as spamming. Because in your profile creation, you will be having a very limited content on it. That's why you will get spamming. Okay. The example of it could be you can create it on brand yourself if it is working. Okay. So what happens is individuals, not reputation you're looking at. So this site is working in a different manner. This is also not working. Okay, with this, you can create your own profile and you can see, you can add content and add a backlink. I'm not sure I have a page on it. Let me try to log in. Okay. Okay. So this is my existing page. They have taken all the content, I believe, from Facebook or maybe LinkedIn. Okay. After that, what feed over here you can add your bio, link to your emails, your custom domain you can create, embed here, and other things. So in features you will get a complete idea. Okay, my own website, you can add a link to it. Okay, for read my blog, you have to add it. For contact me also, you have a different features. So every single thing you can do it. These are the different features. Like you can add a blog, everything. If I show it to you, give me a second. Okay. Read my blog. You can see it is redirected to some website. And I can edit it over here, I believe. I'm not too sure. I'm coming on it after a long time. Yeah, here is the option of managing it. Okay, here is the option to put any website. Sometimes it's difficult to find as their interfaces keeps on changing. So we have a spotlight button that is read my blog, and in read my blog, I have given my website URL, which you can change it later on. Okay, so this is how you can create profile, how you can create the profiling, how it is different from LinkedIn. It is different in terms of there is no chat happening between you and your audience. It is happening between, it's a one-way communication. Whatever you want to say, you said it. And then if people want to contact you, they can contact. That is how it is different. It's no, you're not attracting your audience in terms of by writing great content every week. Okay, there is no timeline like LinkedIn or Facebook has. Okay, that is how it is different. But again, you can create it for your business. On LinkedIn, Facebook, if you create it for your business, they will ban your account. Okay, if you try to create a profile, not page. Okay, but over here, you can create pages for the company as well. This is the major difference. And apart from that, there are other lot of profiles, other websites on which you can create the profile of yours, profile creation. Is that clear? Or do you guys have a question related to this?